Well, okay.
Well, babe.
So, cool. Let's get back to work.
Turn that TV on. March Madness. Back to work, huh, baby?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Overtime. 64-64. Or Roberts in Ohio State. So what are we doing here at the hotel?
Eating Cheez-Its.
That's it. That's the only reason why we're here.
So, we're at the hotel because as of yesterday, our house is on the market. And today we have an open house and showings actually all week long.
Yeah.
So we're gonna be here for the next 2 days. Just here at the hotel while people walk into our house to see if they want to buy it. So that's what it is.
A little staycation.
Yep.
Literally across.
Staycation for 2 days.
Yeah. So we're working. Bought our laptops. Bought some pajamas. That's literally all we packed was pajamas and comfy clothes. We got some snacks over there. Got some waters I brought from home. And yeah. Now we just wait. And hopefully on Monday is when our realtor said we'll have to go over the offers and stuff.
Yeah. Hopefully.
Yeah.
Well, okay.
My babe.
So, cool.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, so we just got our offer this time around with our second time putting this is our first house, so second time putting our first house on the market. Like, I have not been checking up on things.
Nope.
Like, I've been letting Kevin handle everything, or
Same.
this agent. We're just letting God handle it. And we're just sitting here chilling, watching March Madness and reality TV,
Yeah.
and
Just
things are so far going very well. So we're just blessed.
enjoying our Buffalo Wild Wings in the
Yeah.
bed. Same thing with me. Like, I checked the first day,
Yeah.
and a couple times I've checked, but not obsessively like I was last time.
Yeah, last
I
time
just
we
feel
were
at
all on
I
it.
I feel at peace.
Yeah.
And we'll probably do a whole like another video
Yeah.
talking about like everything that happened because I know it's just like out of nowhere.
Yeah.
It's just crazy how God works.
It is. It is.
God is good.
Yeah, he definitely is. So I guess we'll be seeing what kind of shakes out over the next month. But it's a pretty good offer. Like,
Yeah.
they're really letting us know how serious they are about buying our house in an offer, which
Yeah.
is pretty cool. So,
So where are we off to?
San Antonio.
San Antonio. Here we come.
Yep.
Back to our little city of love where we met.
Mhm. Got that right, babe. It looks like it's pretty much a done deal on the house. Looks like we're out of here. And we're going to San Antonio.
We just signed the contract.
Yep, all signed up. So the only thing left to do now is meet at the closing table.
Yeah.
Really.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I love you. Happy anniversary.
I love you.
11-year anniversary.
11 years.
11 years, baby.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, yeah.
You're the best.
You're the best, baby.
This is so cute. Wow. Oh my gosh.